Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Welcome to Halloween month. Halloween is my favorite time of the year. So for me, October, the entire month of October is considered Halloween month. So I came home from work today, and when I pulled up in the driveway, there was a box on my porch. I know, y'all are all surprised there was a box on my porch. And I thought, somebody is playing some kind of trickery on me. This must be some kind of trick-or-treat thing because it was BoxyCharm. It's the 9th of October. I have a BoxyCharm. What? How did that happen? They normally come way later in the month. So I don't remember ordering anything, so I'm assuming by the size of the box that this is my premium box. We're going to open it up and find out. So for those of you that are subscribed to BoxyCharm, I'm sure y'all have gotten the email that BoxyCharm is going up to $39.99 a month. That's $4.99 a month it's going up. And of course, if you subscribe for a year, you know, because IPSY bought them, they're giving you a discount if you subscribe for a whole year. I can't decide whether I'm going to continue it. And in the email, you know, they made lots of promises and goodies for you to continue. So this is my BoxyCharm, and it says Spellbound, and this is different. Now they have all kinds of drop shops, a beauty bash in November, so these are little upcoming announcements, which is kind of cool. And then of course it has, you know, all of the items that's in the box and the prices and all of that good stuff. So let's dig on into it and see what I've got. I'm not going to show you the box because I don't know why we show you the box. If you've seen the inside of one box, you've seen them all. I will say, because I just pulled everything out the box, that this looks like a pretty good box. It looks like it's a fairly expensive box. I will tell you one thing that I'm not super excited about, because I already have this eyeshadow palette. Where did I get this eyeshadow palette from? Trend Mood? Maybe. I don't remember. And I still have it. I was not super impressed with this palette, but I am going to give it a second chance. So that's what it looks like. It has a nice mirror on it, and it has the shade saver. So this is Patrick Starr Visionary palette, and the MSRP on this is $42. So what I'm going to do with this palette is I'm going to put it with the one that I have, and I will do a look. I'll do a video with a look, and then I will give this palette away in that video. So here we go with adding stuff to your giveaway pile. And then next we have 111 Skin. This is Antioxidant Energizing Essence, and this retails for $100. And it's a lightweight product delivering fast-acting antioxidant properties while enriching the skin with NAC Y2 and a blend of soothing botanical extracts. Use directly after cleansing as a skincare primer and follow with your regular 111 skin routine. Immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalization for refreshed and reinvigorated skin. And I'm not super crazy about 111 skin products. I know that they're supposed to be really good, but it doesn't seem that my skin reacts very well to the 111 skin products. There's the package. So, I bet y'all can't guess where that's going. It's going in the giveaway box. And next we have Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. These are $20. It says, why inject when you can object to dull, tired under eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. It's like an iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss. Each Filla pad is blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? Well, I'm here to tell you that I love that. I love that because I'm a very Zen kind of person. So I will be keeping these for sure. They're in a cute little tin. There they are in little packages. Dew of the Gods. That is super cute. Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. There's one set. So this has 10 sets. Am I hearing something weird? Does anyone else feel personally attacked by dark under eye circles? That is super cute. I like that. These feel really good. I don't know if y'all have seen my video where I talked about the I can't remember the name of the brand right at the moment. I'll put it down here. The iPads that I bought, they were a little pricey. They were like $8 a set, but they were like felt, and I wore them at night while I was sleeping, and they worked really well. So these kind of have that same feel. I don't want to open it. But I will report back and let y'all know how that works. So I'm excited about that one. Love under eye pads. So next we have Maneater from Tarte. This is a plumping gloss. And it is in the shade Buff. This retails for $19. And it says that it gives you visibly plumper looking lips. And I am not a fan of lip gloss. I mean, it looks pretty to me for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes. I'm just not going to reapply and reapply. So that will go in your gift pile. And then we have this Pericone Md, which I like their products. This is a vitamin C ester citrus brightening cleanser. Oh, that's cool. This retails for $35, and it's a non-drying formula that cleanses without stripping the skin. This fresh cleanser is formulated with Pericone Md's proprietary vitamin C ester, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C to visibly smooth and brighten. It also contains DMAE to visibly lift and copper complex to hydrate and energize the skin. So I will definitely be keeping this because I do like their products. I can't remember if they are cruelty-free. I'll have to look to see if they're cruelty-free, and the Dew of the Gods too. I'll be checking that to see. And the next item that I got I'm really excited about is this LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. The bunny is on here, so I know that they are cruelty-free, and I picked this because I've heard lots of good things about this LYS Beauty brand. This retails for $18, and it says on here that it's a new brand of Boxy, and it's supposed to be velvety in texture, clean, easy to blend. It's a natural matte finish, and it's formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluron, that stuff right there, green tea extract, and it's finely milled bronzer that gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections and texture. Vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free. And I got, it says Motivate Light. I'm guessing that is the color. And this comes wrapped up. Cute packaging. Very cute. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it has a mirror here. Very nice. That's a lot of product in there. If you can see, you can just barely see it there, but I think that that's going to go really well on my skin. It is a nice, has a nice matte finish, so I'm excited about this. I did choose this. That was one of my choices. The other choice was this 111 Skin. There was not a lot of items in the choice that I wanted, so I got the 111 Skin because I know that y'all like the 111 Skin product. So those are all of the items in my BoxyCharm. Let's add this puppy up and see how much it is worth. So my box comes to $234, and I paid $35 for it. Like I said, I'm trying to decide if I want to continue to get it and pay the $39.99 a month, which if I decide to continue, I will probably just do the year to save myself some money, because I really do like getting the BoxyCharm boxes. So that's the BoxyCharm, and I got a card in the mail, and I have been sitting on this card because I've been super busy at work, and so I have not had a chance to open it. I have not opened it, and it is from Kimmy's Boxes. She sent me a Halloween card. I knew that I watched one of her videos where she said she was sending out a bunch of Halloween cards, but I didn't know that I was on the list to get one, so I'm excited. Except for, I don't know what's in here. And when they send each other stuff, you do not know what's going to fall, run, or crawl out the package. or the envelope when you open it. There could be glitter bombs or dead bugs. I mean, you don't know. You have to be careful. But look how cute. Cute, cute. Oh, look, and it was made in Kansas City, Missouri. How about that? Oh, she sent me stickers. She sent me a little pumpkin and a little witch's hat. And then she sent me a little book. It's a little journal, a little miniature journal. I can journal. Or maybe I could draw. I can draw some stuff in it. Maybe I will draw her a bunch of pictures and then give it back to her for Christmas. Very cute. The card says, hoping Halloween is as wonderful as you, filled with fun and laughter and happy things to do. Happy Halloween. Love, Kim. Thank you so much, Kim. I will leave Kimmy's channel linked down below so that y'all can go check her out. She does a lot of unboxings, and she'll do different taste test videos with her mom. She's super funny, so y'all can go check out Kimmy. I was super excited. I was super excited to get that little orange envelope. So there we go. There's my BoxyCharm Premium that's here. What? I can't believe that it's already here. But that's cool. Maybe the base box will come right behind it, and I won't have to wait till the middle of the month for that one. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me unbox my surprise early BoxyCharm and my awesome friend mail from Miss Kimmy. I just slung my little pumpkin across the room. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome. I am so happy to have all of my new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, you can click on that subscription button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. What else am I supposed to say? If you enjoyed my video, you can give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, here's your beauty tip for today. I don't know where you've been, but you have not been watching your mama's videos, and I'm so sad. So, but I'm going to give you a beauty tip anyway, okay? It's alright, Leanna. It's okay. Christopher still loves you. Don't cry. It's alright. So, it's Halloween month, and, you know, you and I need to do some more Mask Monday videos. So now is the time for you to go get you a cover that will fit your face, because the silicone mask covers that I sent you, sheet mask covers, you didn't like those. So you need to go to Dollar Tree, because now you can get one of these to cover your sheet mask. Then that way, when we do Mask Mondays, you can put this over top of your mask. Okay? Just make sure that you wear, you know, lipstick that won't rub on the inside of it. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.